Negros Occidental Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson has announced he will seek re-election in 2022. Lacson is expected to run with Vice Governor Jeffrey Ferrer. Ferrer has announced his bid for another term in office ahead of Lacson. The tie-up is part of the continued coalition between Lacson's Love Negros and Ferrer's United Negros Alliance. There have been reports that a Negrense lawyer might challenge the re-election bid of Lacson. Lacson, on the other hand, brushed aside reports he will be challenged in the 2022 elections.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.